Hello guys, welcome to another video. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. And today I'm going to show you how to pump down an air conditioner and why it is important to pump down the AC. So first thing, pumping down is the process of enclosing the refrigerant gas into the outdoor unit. And we pump down when you want to, maybe you want to replace the indoor unit, or you want to replace a part in the indoor unit, or you want to dismantle and relocate the whole AC to another place. So you have to pump down, you enclose all the refrigerant inside, then you can do whatever you want. So what you need, you need the manifold gauge for monitoring the refrigerant. Then you shall need the Allen key for closing the valves. Then you shall need the adjustable spanner. This one is for opening the caps. So with no further ado, let's get into it. So first you have to make sure your AC is on and it's running. Then before you start, you have to make sure that you have someone in the where the power supply is, so that when you finish, exactly when you finish closing the valve, he will be right there to switch off the unit. If he doesn't, you will and you have finished closing the valves, that means the compressor will damage, or you or it might burst. So come closer, let's start. We have the these are the caps you have to open. Here it's where we are going to cross. Have to open these are the caps. Then using our Allen key, have to look which it's compatible to it. Yeah, this is it. So in this process, we start with the discharge. You close the discharge because the compressor it's pumping the gas to the indoor. So you have to close this first. When you finish, you monitor the gauge. Then you close this one, the sanction line. So let's put the gauge so that we can monitor the refrigerant gas. Okay. Okay, as you can see, our manifold gauge, it's reading the refrigerant here, the pressure is here. So when we close the discharge side, this the gauge here, it will come down up to 0. When it comes down there, we shall start crossing the the sanction line, and then we shall have pumped down our AC. So let's start with the discharge line. We close. Our discharge line, we have closed. As you can see now, the gauge it's pumping down. When it gets to 0, we start crossing our sanction line. it to 0. Let's start pumping down, crossing the suction line up to it's already done. And when we finish like that, let's cut. Good. Now we have already pumped down all the refrigerant is inside the outdoor unit. Reason why I have cut this wire, it's because for me I don't have someone at the power supply to cut switch off. That's why I have cut that power unit, power supply, and all the gas now it's inside the outdoor unit. That's how we pump down. That is the process of pumping down. And if you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and see you on to the next video. Thank you.